well, it's a pretty low level, so-called nap of the earth work.
Yeah, just over the bit.
The gunner has identified further enemy vehicles and calls for the pilot to reposition the aircraft for another strike, this time electing for a salvo of rockets followed by high explosive 30mm cannon rounds. The target will be acquired and tracked by the gunner, providing a steering cursor to aid the pilot, who will aim and fire the rockets. Converting speed to height, the pilot minimises the threat of ground fire, this time with a 360-degree wing over, making tracking and predicting the aircraft's flight difficult for an enemy attempting to engage. The Apaches have... The crew then work together to update a set of pre-engagement checks, ensuring all systems are configured correctly for another strike. Using his helmet-mounted monocle as a line of sight, the pilot slaves the gun to his eye line and engages the target simply by looking and pulling the trigger. Target rounds. All targets destroyed. Continuing mission. You can see the Apache's powerful hover performance. Tim will now initiate dive with cycling stick to 80 degrees nose down before rolling through 90 degrees whilst almost vertical. Wing over, the tactical return to target manoeuvre is flown in a manner to use the energy and momentum of the aircraft. Pitch from 90 degrees nose up to 90 degrees nose down. As well as offensive actions, helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft of the Army Air Corps can also provide reconnaissance, direction of artillery and mortar fire, command support to ground units, and tactical mobility such as positioning forces, conducting resupply, or extracting casualties. The majority of the Corps is held at high readiness for operations to deploy alongside either the Army's Division, the Air Assault Task Force, or as well the ongoing commitment to supporting special forces both in the UK and around the world. The transition to the Echo model Apache will ensure that the Corps continue to operate the best attack helicopter in the world. A significant update to the longbow that you see today, the AH-64E Apache Guardian, will be fully integrated to the new Royal Navy Queen Elizabeth class carriers to continue providing a vital land and maritime strike capability. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2019 Attack Helicopter Display Team. To finish, I'd just like to remind you that you can visit us on social media for more team news and information on upcoming displays. Feel free to share your pictures of the day using hashtag AHDT. It's appreciated by the team and indeed other followers of the pages. You can find us by searching Facebook and Instagram with Attack Helicopter Display Team or on Twitter at AHDT. If you'd like to meet today's pilots, they will be available after they land at the Apache